In honor of the Benchy becoming public domain, I thought we should have a little fun. This day should be a public holiday. Listen carefully. Can you catch where the AI makes mistakes?
On the first day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me a cargo ship, Benchy. On the second day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me 2 chopper Benchies and a cargo ship, Benchy. On the third day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me 3 puffy Benchies, 2 chopper Benchies, and a cargo ship, Benchy. My true love gave to me 4 battleship Benchies, 3 puffy Benchies, 2 chopper Benchies, 2 chopper Benchies, and a cargo ship, Benchy. On the 5th day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me 5 armored Benchies, 4 battleship Benchies, 3 puffy Benchies, 2 chopper Benchies, and a cargo ship, Benchy. On the 6th day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me 6 Benchy on Benchies, 5 armored Benchies, 4 battleship Benchies, 3 puffy Benchies, 2 chopper Benchies, and a cargo ship, Benchy. On the 7th day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me 7 slant Benchies, 6 Benchy on Benchies, 5 armored Benchies, 4 battleship Benchies, 3 puffy Benchies, 2 chopper Benchies, and a cargo ship, Benchy. On the 7th day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me 8 pirate Benchies, 7 slant Benchies, 6 Benchy on Benchies, 5 armored Benchies, 4 battleship Benchies, 3 puffy Benchies, 2 chopper Benchies, and a cargo ship, Benchy. On the 9th day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me 9 Benchy buddies, 8 pirate Benchies, 7 slant Benchies, 6 Benchy on Benchies, 5 armored Benchies, 4 battleship Benchies, 3 puffy Benchies, 2 chopper Benchies, and a cargo ship, Benchy. On the 10th day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me 10 cracking Benchies, 9 Benchy buddies, 8 pirate Benchies, 7 slant Benchies, 6 Benchy on Benchies, 5 armored Benchies, 4 battleship Benchies, 3 puffy Benchies, 2 chopper Benchies, and a cargo ship, Benchy. On the 11th day of Benchymas, my true love gave to me 11 Mr. Benchy universes, 10 cracker Benchies, 7 slant Benchies, 6 Benchy on Benchies, 5